Proverbs 21:4. Haughty eyes and a proud heart, that unplowed field of the wicked produce sin. So kaya pala tayong merong ganito. Kasi nga, yung ating kasing-kasing is very proud. Saan ba tayo nagiging proud? Maybe in your accomplishments, maybe in your position, maybe in your acquired wealth. Di ba nagiging proud tayo sa bank account mo, na feeling mo, akala mo na kung sino ka. Nagiging proud tayo kasi nga, contractor ka na din. No, nasa DPWH ako. So makikita natin, because of their proud heart, it will lead them to sin.